Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Toyota Prius 12-volt auxiliary battery voltage. First, gather your essential tools, including a reliable multimeter and appropriate safety gloves. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and parked in a well-ventilated area before you begin. You will need to locate the 12-volt auxiliary battery, which is typically found in the rear cargo area of your Prius. Safety is paramount when working with any vehicle battery. Always disconnect the negative terminal of the 12-volt auxiliary battery first to prevent accidental power surges. Make sure you are wearing insulated gloves and eye protection throughout the entire process. Carefully remove the rear cargo area cover and any necessary access panels to expose the auxiliary battery safely. Now, let's measure the voltage. Set your multimeter to the direct current voltage range, typically indicated by a V with a straight line. Carefully connect the red positive lead to the battery's positive terminal and the black negative lead to the negative terminal. Observe and record the voltage reading displayed on your multimeter's screen. Understanding your readings is crucial. A healthy Toyota Prius 12-volt auxiliary battery typically reads between 12 and 13 volts when the engine is off. If your multimeter shows a reading significantly lower than 12 volts, it could indicate a weak battery that needs charging or replacement. For consistently low or fluctuating voltage, it is best to consult a qualified automotive technician for a thorough diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.